Everyone talks about dropshipping like it is either the easiest money ever made or a complete waste of time. I decided to find out the truth myself. I ran a real dropshipping experiment using only AI tools and a small test budget. No expensive courses. No guru advice. Just AI and honest effort. Today I am sharing exactly what happened. The good. The bad. The real numbers. And the exact system I built that actually worked. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What is AI dropshipping and why it is different now? Traditional dropshipping required hours of manual product research, writing product descriptions from scratch, and managing customer service personally. Most beginners burned out before making a single profitable sale. AI changes all three of those problems completely. Product research that took days now takes minutes with AI tools. Product descriptions that required hiring a copywriter now get generated by Claude in seconds. Customer service responses that consumed hours now get drafted by AI instantly. The result is a leaner, faster, more manageable dropshipping business that a complete beginner can run without losing their mind. How I started, choosing a niche with Claude. My first step was finding the right product niche. I opened Claude and asked it to identify the most profitable dropshipping niches in 2026. I asked specifically for niches with high demand, good profit margins, low return rates, and products that were not already completely saturated on every major platform. Claude gave me a detailed breakdown. The strongest options were home organization products, pet accessories, fitness and wellness equipment, eco-friendly lifestyle products, and desk and productivity accessories. Each had proven buyer demand and healthy margins for dropshipping. I chose desk and productivity accessories. The work from home trend has created enormous and sustained demand. Products are lightweight and cheap to ship. And the target buyer, remote workers and home office professionals, is a large and growing audience willing to spend on quality. I went to AliExpress and searched for trending products in this category. I used Claude to help me evaluate each option. I gave Claude the product details and asked it to assess the profit potential, the likely competition level, and any red flags I should watch for. Claude helped me narrow down to 5 strong candidate products in under 30 minutes. I chose a minimalist cable management desk organizer. Simple product. Clear use case. Strong visual appeal for social media marketing. Good margin at the price point I wanted to sell at. Setting up the store with AI. I used Shopify for my store. Basic plan. No custom coding needed. I installed a free dropshipping app to connect directly with my AliExpress supplier. Then I asked Claude to write every piece of copy for my store. The product title. The product description. The homepage headline. The about page. The shipping and returns policy. Everything. I gave Claude detailed information about my target buyer, a remote worker who is frustrated by cable clutter and wants a clean, productive workspace. Claude wrote compelling benefit-focused copy that spoke directly to that frustration in every section of the store. I used Canva to design my store logo and banner images. Clean and minimal to match the product aesthetic. Total store setup time, 4 hours. Total cost beyond Shopify's basic plan, 0. Marketing the store using AI. I chose TikTok and Instagram as my primary marketing channels. Both platforms reward creative short video content, perfect for showing a physical product in action. I created simple product demonstration videos using my phone. No fancy equipment. Just clean lighting, the product on my desk, and a simple 30-second clip showing the cable organizer solving a real problem. I asked Claude to write the captions for every post. Short, punchy, benefit-focused captions with a clear call to action. I asked Claude to generate 30 days of content ideas for my product niche so I always had a fresh angle to film. I also ran a small paid ad test on TikTok. $50 total budget. I asked Claude to write 3 different ad copy variations and tested all 3 simultaneously to see which performed best. The first 30 days, honest results. I will not pretend everything went perfectly. The first 2 weeks were slow. 17 store visits. 0 sales. I questioned everything. By day 18 I made my first sale. $27. After product cost and shipping, about $11 profit. It was not impressive as a number, but it confirmed the store worked and real people would buy. By the end of day 30 the numbers looked like this. Total revenue, $214. Total product and shipping cost, $88. Shopify fee for the month, $32. TikTok ad spend, $50. Net profit, $44. $44 profit in 30 days is not going to change anyone's life. But it validated the model completely. The store worked. The product sold. The marketing generated traffic. The system just needed more volume and optimization. What I changed in month 2 was about doubling down on what worked and cutting what did not. The TikTok organic content was driving more traffic than the paid ads. So I stopped the paid ads and focused entirely on organic posting. I published 1 video every single day using Claude for captions and content ideas. I also added 2 new products to the store based on what customers who bought the cable organizer also searched for. Claude helped me identify complementary products by analyzing the buyer profile and suggesting logical cross-sell options. Month 2 revenue, $640. Net profit after all costs, $190. Month 3, I added an email list using Klaviyo's free tier. Claude wrote my welcome email sequence, my abandoned cart emails, and my weekly product highlight newsletter. Email alone added $80 of additional monthly revenue from my existing customer base. Month 3 net profit, $310. What I learned, the honest truth about AI dropshipping. Dropshipping with AI is real and it works. But it is not passive and it is not instant. It requires consistent daily effort, especially in the first 90 days. AI makes the business dramatically more manageable. Claude handles all the writing. Canva handles all the design. The AI tools eliminate the tasks that used to make dropshipping overwhelming for beginners. The most important lesson I learned is that product selection matters more than anything else. A mediocre product with great marketing will struggle. A great product with consistent marketing will grow steadily every month. Choose your product carefully. Use Claude to validate it before you invest time building a store around it. Test with organic marketing before spending money on ads. Add products slowly based on data. Let AI handle the writing and creative work so you can focus on strategy and optimization. Your action plan here is how to start your own AI dropshipping business this week. Open Claude and research your niche. Choose 1 product with strong demand and good margins. Set up a basic Shopify store and use Claude to write all your copy. Connect an AliExpress supplier through a free dropshipping app. Create a TikTok and Instagram account for your store. Post 1 product video every day using Claude for captions. Track your results weekly and optimize based on what the data shows. The whole setup takes 1 weekend. The results start coming in the first month. The income compounds every month after that. Which product niche would you start your AI dropshipping store in? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment with specific product ideas for your niche. If this honest story gave you a real picture of what AI dropshipping looks like, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.